Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị, ekele m unu. A sị nke onye ochili ya zere. Unu lee anya na this foto ị na-afụ na. This guy na bụ ex Super Eagles player. Unu ma na ndị ịfụ na-agba bọọlụ fa na-enwe issue when it comes to marriage due to their traveling or one or two, due to the way they travel and play football. Enough for their wife on them going intimacy with another man. This guy now for now almost on us for almost 10 years. Cause I made DNA test about them. DNA test I confirm more that now almost have buzinke. Then the question you ask yourself now is who to blame? Are you going to blame the man for not being there for the woman, or are you going to blame the woman for not keeping herself for the man? Una for the ife and egusi ike, if obini may check very well. Any decision you take very well, because now why these days, if I need ziri, if I choro ziri, kadi ziri fa. The kind of need we can now. This guy now provided this woman with all the money, but the love and affection Mario Jibru wanye nge wanya manfia or burget man or driver can that love and affection. Emogeni for Jibru wanye gonna fall for that person. Oche vize that na enwe lolo ya kwa ogwushi edewere n'ụlọ. Oche vize na enwe nye ego change Brazilian hell ya. Ochefuze na onye ego change ina we ya na-enwe intimacy with the gate man or driver before him mecha ya mepe atọbago yime due na all go di ka ọ ga-eme ya we the pregnancy push the husband nwoke be ya kpọrọ nwa n'azụ ọ ga-ama na onye ọzọ na-arụ ọrụ kwesịrị na-arụ. If you make it too much, okay, have time for your wife, so that you have people a victim of this kind of problem. Share the video.